Oh.
Today I go to Nature Jack and I saw fishes. And they have long necks and long tails and long legs. Not legs. And long fishes have some swimming pools and water. And a lot of fish have some tails and some mouths and eyes and swimming in the water.
Can I see the picture of the fish, please? Oh, wow, that's what Nature Jack taught you about? Okay, I see it. All right. What else did he tell you about the fish?
Today we're going to, and I'm going to a fish and wear smocks.
You wore a smock?
Yeah,
Why?
because I need smocks.
What did you do?
Put them on our heads.
No, why did you need to wear a smock? What did you do with Nature Jack?
We
Stand still. Stop walking. Stop walking.
Help and Nature Jack. And we jumped out the line. And we walked out the line. And we get out the line. And take the fish.
Oh, okay, you painted fish. Okay, say bye.
Bye.